sih Grace? Sini, kenapa? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Here we are as a group 3 will present our result discussion about impact culture for communication. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Puri Wulandari. And
Raden, Roro, Priscylla, Cahyani,
Disti Apriani,
Marbun. Here, our creative writing is an essay entitled "Cultural Influence on Communication." The first, I will explain the.
I will explain first explanation
The first, I will explain. Communication is a key element in human life, and the influence of culture plays a crucial role in shaping how we communicate. Each cultural group has unique norms, values, and communication patterns. Therefore, it is important to understand how culture can shape and influence the communication process. This essay will delve into how culture can affect communication and how this understanding is key to strengthening relationship between individuals and group. Okay, the next will be explained by Raden Roro.
Language is the primary means of communication, and every culture has a language that reflects its values, tradition, and worldview. When individuals from different cultures interact, language differences can pose communication barriers. For instance, expression or words with culture-specific meanings may be challenging to grasp for those unfamiliar with that culture. Therefore, an understanding of cultural context is crucial in interpreting the true meaning of communication. Every culture has different communication norms and ethics. For example, in some cultures, speaking directly may be considered impolite, while in others, open and direct communication is valued. Understanding these norms is essential so that individuals can avoid conflicts and create harmonious relationships. Misunderstanding of communication ethics can lead to misinterpretation and intercultural conflicts.
Okay, the next is about the verbal communication. Verbal communication is the use of language to communicate. If two different cultures speak the same language, they may not speak it in the same way. For example, Indians and Americans both speak English, but there are some words that have two different meanings depending on which country you are in. Meanwhile, nonverbal communication styles such as body language, facial expressions, eye contact, and also influenced by culture. For instance, the level of eye contact considered polite can vary between cultures. Understanding these nonverbal expressions help individuals read the feelings and intentions of communicators more accurately. Awareness of this difference can root the risk of misinterpretation in intercultural communications.
So next paragraph, I will explain. In the era of globalization and technological advancement, cultures can interact more rapidly and intensively than ever before. Intercultural interaction through social media, video calls, and other online platforms allows the exchange of ideas and information without graphical constraints. However, an understanding of culture remains crucial to avoid misinterpretation and conflicts that may arise from differences in norms and values. In an increasingly connected world, understanding the influence of culture on communication is more critical than ever. The ability to comprehend and appreciate differences in language, communication norms, ethics, and non-verbal communication style can enrich relationships between individuals and groups. With this awareness, we can build a more open, inclusive, and harmonious world where intercultural communication becomes a source of rich diversity and enrichment. Okay, I think that's all from our group. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.